Hello everyone, welcome to PRV Solutions. So in this video lecture we will study RC transient response. We have studied RL transient response in previous video. So now we will study RC transient response. So here instead of inductor we will use the capacitor here. We will use the same circuit, only the difference is capacitor is used in place of inductor. So curve, we have seen that the universal time constant curve is same for both the RC transient and RL transient responses. Only the difference is there that in case of RL curve, RL response, this blue line represents current and red line represents voltage. But now the blue line represents voltage and red line represents current in case of RC transient response. In RL circuit we have the time constant L by R, but now the time constant in case of RC circuit we have tau is equal to R multiplied with C, and the voltage equation is E1 minus e raised to power minus t by tau, and IT is equal to I naught e raised to power minus t by tau, where tau is the time constant which is equal to RC. So we can see that voltage will increase with time. This is voltage will increase with time and current will decrease with time. So we will simulate the same circuit using some different values of voltage, resistor and capacitors. So let us start simulating the RC transient circuit. I have designed a circuit, RC circuit, to study transient response. So I am using here voltage of 10 volt and one resistance 10 ohm and one capacitor of 1 microfarad. So firstly I will simulate this circuit. So I will use here transient and simulate it. So here I am getting the same curve as in case of LR, but only difference is now this is our voltage curve, means voltage is increasing, and this is our current curve, current is decreasing across the capacitor. So now we will simulate. First step, increase C with same value of R, means I will increase this capacitance value from 1 microfarad to 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, and we can see that settling time will increase. It will increase 1 micro these values, capacitance value. Suppose I am using here now 3 microfarad. So now the settling time is increasing, and 200 microfarad in this case, from 3 microfarad to 5 microfarad. Now it is around 300 microsecond. Now again increase capacitance value from 5 to 7 microfarad. And you can see that now the setting type is around 500 microsecond. In case of ten microfarad, setting time is around 600 microfarad. So we can conclude that by increasing C, setting time will also increase. Now we will increase the value of resistance, keeping C constant, R from 10 ohm to 15 ohm, 20 ohm, like this. Firstly I will change its value to 1 microfarad. Now the response is, setting time is around 51 microsecond. Fifteen ohm. Now the settling time is around 81 microsecond. 420. Setting time is 105 microsecond. So in this way, by increasing R, you can see that when we will increase R with same value of C, setting time will also increases. So conclusion of the experiment is that settling time is increases in both the cases. So in this way we can study RC transient response. Thanks for watching.